In this video, you learn how to create your very first project using Help in Manual 7. If you have successfully installed the trial version of Help in Manual 7 or have installed a purchased version, you must be able to see the Help in Manual 7 icon on your desktop. Notice how chunky cursors is helping me show you more clearly the Help in Manual icon. Now, if you have successfully installed Help in Manual 7 on your computer and don't see the icon on your desktop, you could also search for the program using Windows Search from the Start menu. I'm using Windows 7, and if your computer is also running the same OS, you could search for Help in Manual 7 as I'm doing. Notice how search has located the Help in Manual 7 program on my computer. If your computer is running Windows 8 or later, I'm sure you must be able to locate the program in a similar fashion. To open the program, you could either click the link to the program in the search results or double click the icon on your desktop and the program opens. Click on New Project and the screen refreshes, displaying additional buttons and functions. On the screen, you'll notice several options on how to import help projects that were created using other help authoring tools such as RoboHelp. We'll look into this functionality in a subsequent topic. Since we are going to create a new topic, click the Create an Empty New Project option. We'll also explore the new project with light styles and the new project with modern styles later. Clicking the Create an Empty New Project option opens a new screen. On this screen, you will need to provide two important inputs. One, the title of your project, and two, the location of your project. For our example, let's create an online help for the web application MS Outlook, and so in the project title field, I'm going to enter MS Outlook Online Help. Next, the location of your project needs to be entered into the output file field. By default, Help in Manual will suggest a location, but here is a very important tip. Make sure your project is not installed on the system drive of your computer. The system drive is the drive where Windows, the operating system of your computer, stores its files. The reason why I'm strongly advising you not to create your Help in Manual project on this folder is because in the event of a reinstall of the operating system, the entire folder is wiped clean, and there goes your Help in Manual project as well. Not only your Help in Manual project file, if you have stored any video, audio, or personal files on the system drive, they are deleted too. That is the reason why it also pays to partition your hard disk and make sure your working files, such as your Help in Manual project, are stored on a non-system drive. And how do you identify a system drive? If your drive on your hard disk has a Windows or a Windows 32 folder, then that is your system drive. Another simple method to identify your system drive is by clicking on Computer from the Start menu. You could also search for computer using the search that we used earlier to locate the Help in Manual program. In the window that displays the drives of your computer, look out for the Windows logo. On my computer, the Windows logo is located near the C drive of my computer, indicating that C is the system folder. If you had just one drive, like a C or a D on your computer, then this would be the best time to partition your drive into two or more drives, depending on the space available on your hard disk. If you cannot do it yourself, get a techie to do it. Bottom line, create your Help in Manual project on a non-system drive. Since C is a system drive on my computer, I'm going to create my Help in Manual project on the D drive. By default, the project file has a .hmxz extension. Leave it as it is and just change the portion that reflects the name of your project. In our case, I'm naming it MS Outlook Online Help, and I'm going to create it in a folder titled HM Projects. Leave all other options as they are. They will be explained in subsequent topics. Next, click Create. If the output folder does not exist, Help in Manual will prompt you asking if it can be created. Click Yes. Help in Manual refreshes the screen to display your project with the starter chapters, Introduction and Chapter 2, and their topics inserted into the project. In subsequent videos, I'll teach you how to flesh out these topics by adding text, images, and video. We'll also be showing you how to rename, edit, and reposition these topics within the table of contents. Before you exit, always ensure to save your project file by clicking the floppy icon located on the top left corner of your program window. The floppy icon is enabled every time you make a change to your project. You could also press Ctrl S to save the changes made. To close the application, you may either select Exit from the File menu or click the Close button located at the top right corner of the application. Now go ahead, create your help and manual project as I have done in this video. This will be your assignment, and I'll see you soon.